continuing on the Topcon MC Mobile showcase of the product range is this latest release of the Compact Track Loader software. This will enable the operator to swap out the tablet and instrumentation from the excavator into a CTL. Fully configurable between grader blades, box blades, or power angle tilt dozer blades. The pat blades are available in mastless dual GNSS indicate only. However, the box blades and grader blades are available in fully automatic GNSS, LPS, and some even carry the functionality to be side shift compatible as well, so steering to an alignment or a curb line. So very cool product, specific for compact track loaders, and really completes that whole offering to be able to go from survey, excavate, and then fill for the smaller contractor.